If your environment scenes look flat and shallow, no matter how big you make them or how much detail they have, maybe this video is for you. Let's start with the camera. The default Blender camera comes with a 50mm lens, which is too much for environments. In real life, most photographers will use a lens between 16 and 35mm, also referred to as a wide-angle lens. Even though this fixes the feel of scale for our scene, everything still looks too flat. For that, let's add a cube and roughly scale it to cover our scene. Don't make it too tall or too wide. Now, give it a material and make sure it's a principled volume shader plugged into the volume output. Then, lower the density. This way, we will simulate a natural effect known as aerial perspective. Depending on your lighting, you might even get some interesting God rays coming through. To control how strong they are, we can adjust the anisotropy of the volumetric. In real life, volumetrics tend to scatter light in their volume, but that is a bit heavy to render directly, so let's fake it. Bring up the emission strength slightly, we're talking about a fraction of a thousandth here, and to give it a bit of an artistic touch, let's use a complementary emission color. Using a gradient node, you can even map the colors to your liking. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials, and once again, thanks for watching.